Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone on iOS 18. So let's get started. Screen mirroring will help you project your screen into another screen. So in order to turn it on, we are going to go to Settings, then go to General. After that, go to AirPlay and Continuity, and then go to Automatic AirPlay. Make sure this option is either Ask or Automatic, and it's not set to Never. If it's set to Never, then your AirPlay will not work. So I'm going to set it to Automatic. And then we're going to go back, get to our home page, and now we're going to pull down our control center from the upper right corner. And after pulling down the control center, we have the screen mirroring option over here. And as you can see, we have a screen mirroring device. Now, if I select this device, my screen will start to get mirrored on the mirroring device. So guys, that's how you can mirror your screen to another device. If you found this video helpful, then please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.